Hi there, and welcome to our video tutorial on how to make the High Waist Collective Bikini bottoms. You can find this sewing pattern online on our website and down below in the links in the description. Let's get started. Stitch the outer and lining sections together at the crotch seam. Open out the sections and place them right sides together. You can see here the lining is smaller than the outer section. Pin and stitch the lining to the outer section on the leg seams. Cut the elastics for the back leg seams from the chart in the sewing instructions. Mark the halfway points of the elastic and the back leg edges. Pin and stitch the elastics to the seam allowance on each back leg edge. I've used a stretch stitch to sew the leg seams and a 3-step zigzag to stitch the elastic to the seam allowances on the back legs. The front leg edges do not have elastic sewn to the edges. Turn the sections right sides out. Your leg seam edges should be gently pulled towards the inside like this. Fold down the front and back outer sections. Leave the lining sections facing upwards. The lining and outer sections will be facing right sides together. Pin and stitch the front and back side seams together. Flip the lining upwards. Pin and stitch the lining and outer sections together at the top edges. Mark the top edge of the bottoms and the casing into quarter points. Match these as you pin and stitch the casing to the top edge of the bottoms. Leave a gap at the seam line of the casing. Cut your elastic to the length provided in the sewing instructions. Thread the elastic through the casing. Overlap and stitch the ends of the elastic together. And slide the remaining elastic inside and stitch the open layers closed. And that's it. You should have finished your High Waist Collective Bikini bottoms. If you did like this video and you'd like to see some more videos similar to this one, please be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a comment below. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this one and we will see you next time. Bye!